The Uruwala tea factory is situated among lush green paddy fields in Talahagama in the Akurasa AGS division of Valigamkorala in the Mathura district, 160 kilometers away from Colombo and 150 feet above sea level. The warm, humid climate together with high rainfall is ideal for low-grown tea. 55% of Sri Lanka's black tea is produced in the low country, and the average price is usually higher than for the high and medium-grown teas. History. The Uruwala Tea Factory was founded by the late Mr. D.A. Vanigasekara way back in 1920. The factory mainly concentrates on estate leaves and produces only 24,000 kilograms of made tea per annum. Since his demise, his son, the late Mr. D.C. Vanigasekara, continued the business until 1992. In the year 1970, the new factory was constructed. Its capacity was increased to 600,000 kilograms of made tea per annum. After the demise of Mr. D.C. Vanigasekara, his wife and her 7 children took over this business enterprise. In 1995, the business was registered as a limited liability company and all 8 shareholders were appointed as directors of the company. In the year 1992, the Uruwala Tea Factory was awarded with the prestigious Tea Board Award as the best low-grown tea factory, followed by, in the year 1996, the second best tea factory in the Mathura district. Expansion. With new blood in the system, new thinking resulted in a massive expansion of the factory and the automation processes were begun. In the year 1998, the extension of the factory resulted in the longest tea factory on the island, which is 351 feet. More vehicles were deployed to transport green leaf, which has increased the factory's vehicle fleet by 40%. 5S. With the expansion, the management was concentrating in maintaining international standards. The Japanese 5S quality system was introduced in 1998. Seri, or sorting, eliminating unnecessary items from the workplace. Seton, or set, efficient and effective storage methods were introduced. Seiso, shine, that's cleanliness in the working area. Deketsu, or standardize, concentrate on setting standards. Shitsuke, or sustaining, new status quo and standards in the workplace organization. Weighing and withering. The green leaf is spread and kept for 12 to 15 hours, depending on the climatic conditions, to reduce the moisture. rolling. At this humidity control room, the withered green leaf is fed to the rollers. Rolling pressures the leaf and squeezes out the juices which provide the tea its characteristic flavor and also give the leaf that twist or curled shape. Depending on the market demand, the tea leaf is rolled 3 to 4 times. At the end of each rolling, the leaf is fed through roll breakers to untangle the leaf. The fermentation section. The dryer section. The leaf is then transferred to the drying machine. Large iron chambers fitted with trays which circulate hot air heated by the furnace is forced into the chamber, arresting the oxidation process. This stage takes about half an hour and it ensures that the new black tea leaf will keep until it's brewed in whatever far-off country it reaches. And a paddy husk hot water generator. Michi shifters. Middletons. Winnowers. Color separators. All of these was added to the existing machinery while maintaining the same workforce. The factory staff tasks were made easier and productivity was increased immensely. The filing system and the office staff. Factory stores. Our factory stores are well equipped and maintained by skilled staff. We follow the 5S concept and stores management too comes within that scheme. All equipment is numbered and kept in a methodical, efficient and effective way, and the premises are maintained in a very professional manner. Backup generator. In 1978, an expansion program began, and by 1992, the capacity increased to 60,000 kilograms. Over the ensuing decade, the capacity has doubled. The current annual production is over 1,200,000 kilograms of made tea per annum. While keeping the high monthly sales averages with this level of production, we have been rated within the top 10 tea factories among 700 tea factories in Sri Lanka. At this point of time, over 1,000 green leaf suppliers are registered with the factory. Safety. While increasing the machines and the quality of the working environment, the management has also given very high emphasis towards safety of the staff by providing uniforms, face masks, caps and gloves, which has resulted in a very low number of workplace accidents. A trained medical officer is also available for any unforeseen situations. Welfare. The staff is provided with transport to and from their homes to the factory. Restroom for the use of the staff. As a practice, the management takes the ideas from the staff in the decision-making process. Other than for government-enforced statutory payments such as EPF and ETF, the management has established a death benevolent fund to assist the staff in their hours of need. In addition to all of these, the management is generous in providing free meals during the night shift and also an annual bonus in the month of April for all staff. A well-maintained hostel for the outstation staff is another facility provided by the management. A modern set of line rooms is also provided for the residents of the estate's staff. A daycare center for children is maintained by the management. The staff is taken on pilgrimage to a place of worship annually. This graph is a very clear indicator of the relationship between the staff and the management. Leaf suppliers. Training and education. Inspection of the land. Soil testing. The supply of fertilizer on easy payment schemes. All of these have contributed to a very high increase in the yield and in the income level of the green leaf suppliers. It has also strengthened the friendly relationship between the green leaf supplier and the management. Achievements. In the year 2002, the factory was awarded with the Merit Award by Jazzsticker and also awarded with a Ceylon Tea Quality Certificate by the Sri Lanka Tea Board. In the year 2003, the factory passed many milestones by achieving bronze awards for being the All-Ireland's best Sri Lankan entrepreneur and a gold award for the Southern Province in the competition, the Sri Lanka Entrepreneur of the Year. Deploying state-of-the-art machinery has brought about recognition in the tea industry and has resulted in quality tea made by Uruwala Tea Factory securing very high prices at the weekly tea auctions. With the Americans invading the Middle East, the main buyer of Ceylon tea was compelled to buy low-quality tea from various other countries, resulting in a loss for the market of our tea. The European Union has imposed HACCP, or Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, for the tea industry. In order to find new markets for our tea, we were compelled to adhere to the buyer's requirements. Our factory has accepted the challenge. In January 2006, the prestigious HACCP award was given our factory. Ceylon Quality Certificate, or CQC. The factory is awarded with the Ceylon Quality Certificate by the Sri Lanka Tea Board in January 2006.